Ako nga dati, naging head nurse ako sa isang ospital, pero yung sinasahod ko naman is nursing attendant. So isipin mo yun na head nurse ka, hindi may posisyon ka na nurse, pero yung sinasahod mo nursing attendant. So alam mo yung tumaas, yung ano lang, yung workload ko lang eh. Hindi naman tumaas yung pasahod ko, so I have to do 2 to 3 jobs. Isipin mo yun ha, 2 to 3 jobs para lang talaga I can buy what I want, I can do the things I want. Kailangan mo talagang gano'n, na parang 7 in the morning to 12 midnight, nagtatrabaho ka, and then you're going back and forth kung saan-saan. Grabe po. Kaya talagang kung ikaw yung nurse na ayaw mo naman talaga mag-abroad, ang tendency is, yun nga, imbis mangibang bansa ka, mangingibang trabaho ka na lang, di ba? So ibang trabaho na lang, nagko-call center, yung mga ganon. So yun yung mahirap, yun yung mahirap. Yung promotion pa based on whom you know, it's not really what you know. Yun yung mahirap. It's not based on connection, it's actually based on it's actually based on your connection. It's not based on your intention. So kahit sobrang galing mo pa dyan, ano mo pa, wala kang mga kakilala eh. Wala pa rin, kulelat ka pa rin. Or sabihin natin may kakilala kasi barangay chairman, blah blah blah, pero yung kilala ng isa si mayor. Talo ka pa rin. Wala, kahit regular hindi mo makukuha. Di ba? Ay nako. Very common sa iba yan, especially for nurses.